Hi, welcome to Tenon Taupo. Today, you will complete our site safety induction video. Whether you are a new employee, contractor, or a current team member refreshing your knowledge of the site safety standards, this video will give you an understanding of how we can work together to ensure the safety of all on site. During the induction video, there will be questions to answer correctly in order to progress. Please follow the prompts. At the end of the video, you will have a chance to cover off any questions you may have with the Health and Safety Coordinator. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you on site. Tenon Taupo has been proudly operating from its Taupo location for over 50 years. The business is privately owned and employs over 270 people. The Taupo site is focused on producing high-quality, defect-free radiata clearwood products. To achieve this, we only process high-value prune butt logs. These logs come from trees that have had their branches removed or pruned at an early age, which then encourages the growth of clearwood. On site, there are several steps in extracting the maximum value from these logs. The sawmill, which is a grade cutting operation, uses a combination of experienced team members and state-of-the-art technology to extract the maximum volume of clearwood from every log processed. After processing in the sawmill, the majority of the timber is kiln-dried in one of 9 on-site kilns and then defilleted and graded at the surfacer. From here, the lumber is either packaged, ready for sale, or further processed on-site into finished products such as clear pine boards, decking, siding, or moldings. To produce these finished products, the timber is defected, dressed, graded, packaged, and loaded into 40-foot containers. Our customers. Tenon Taupo exports approximately 70% of its total production, with key markets in the USA, Europe, China, and Australia. The USA has been the backbone of our clearwood business. Today, we produce high-grade lumber which is used by manufacturers to make moldings, window and door components. Clear pine boards, sold to a range of national home centers, pro-dealer yards and distributors across the USA. Lifespan Solid Select, a branded treated and primed outdoor range of siding, cladding and moldings. Europe is an exciting market that consumes large volumes of clear radiata used primarily in the wood modification market. Whilst there are a number of different wood modification processes, they all enhance the appearance and/or durability of the radiata feedstock. China has long valued the semi-clear grades produced from Taupo, which are used in the making of furniture, infancy, and finger joint products. Corewood is sold on the domestic market and is used to produce pallet, packaging, and some finger joint products. No matter where in the world our product is sold, the team at Tenon Taupo have built a reputation for quality, service, and reliability that we are all extremely proud of. Benefits of being part of the Tenon Taupo team. Life at Tenon Taupo is more than just a job. Not only will you have the opportunity to develop, grow, and meet new people, but you can also take advantage of our annual Family Day, staff discount card, for a small cost gain, access to an on-site, well-equipped gym and part-time personal trainer, education and welfare funds. Applications to the Education Fund can be made by employees, their partners, and dependents, and cover a range of educational opportunities. The Welfare Fund is available to employees only and provides assistance in times of unexpected medical misfortune. Further details on both funds are available from your supervisor or the HR team. Tenon Taupo responsibilities. We all have responsibilities under the Health and Safety at Work Act 2015 and its associated regulations. It is important we understand what those responsibilities are. As the PCBU, or principal, Tenon Taupo must ensure your work here is done safely, the equipment you use is safe, and the environment you work in does not adversely affect your health. Tenon Taupo also operates its business so that it meets or exceeds statutory health, safety, and environmental requirements. Safe work instruments, relevant standards, approved codes of practice, and good practice guides. Employee responsibilities. To help maintain a safe and healthy workplace, you also have an important part to play. To keep yourself and others safe from harm when undertaking work, you must take reasonable care for your own health and safety. Take reasonable care that your acts or omissions do not adversely affect the health and safety of other persons. Comply with any reasonable instruction that is given by Tenon Taupo. Comply with any reasonable policy or procedure relating to health and safety. Report any accidents, incidents, and near misses immediately to your supervisor. Identify any conditions or practices that may cause harm to people or property and take appropriate action to eliminate that risk. If it is not practicable to eliminate the risk, then it must be minimized. Report all hazards immediately to your supervisor. If you believe the work is unsafe, then stop and tell your supervisor. Tenon Taupo is committed to maintaining a safe and healthy workplace. Our risk management process is 1. Identify what could harm the health or endanger the safety of yourself or others. 2. An assessment will identify who might be exposed to the risk, what the potential consequences might be, and how likely the consequences are. 3. We will try to eliminate the risk, but if it can't be eliminated, then it must be effectively reduced. 4. Lastly, the control measures will be monitored to ensure they remain effective. Please advise your supervisor immediately if the control measure is no longer effective and/or damaged in any way. Critical risks. These are the 4 key critical risks you may be exposed to on site. 1. Moving machinery. 2. Mobile plant. 3. Noise. 4. Manual handling. Some important safety control measures relating to these critical risks are covered in this induction. Others will be explained and shown to you by your supervisors, trainers, and job leaders. Standard Operating Procedures, or SOPs, are documents that also contain important information that will keep you safe around these critical hazards as well as others that you may interact with.